welcome to my video. Today, we're learning about Filipino words, synonyms and antonyms.
Synonyms and antonyms. In Tagalog, in Filipino, that means kasing kahulugan. Kasing kahulugan,
Kasi,
that's synonyms.
synonym.
And antonyms is kasalungat.
Kasulangat.
Kasalungat.
Kasulagat.
Ka,
Ka,
sa,
sa,
lu,
lu,
ngat.
ngat,
Ngat. Okay.
kasalunan.
Okay. First, we're gonna study about the synonyms.
Yay!
This will come out on your exam tomorrow. Our first word is grupo.
Grupo.
That means group in English. In English, it means group. Okay, group.
And the opposite is pangkat.
Kasing kahulugan, it's not opposite. The synonyms is pangkat. Okay, it's right, pangkat. That's synonyms, not opposite. You understand? Okay. First word, grupo.
Grupo.
The synonyms is, kasing kahulugan
Kasing kakulugan.
is what?
Angkat. Pangkat.
Pangkat. Okay. Pangkat ng mga guro. That means group of teachers or group of students. Grupo ng mga estudyante. Okay? Our second word is huminto.
Huminto.
Imagine there was a car and it stops on the stoplight. It stops.
That means huminto.
Huminto. Okay. Another word is, kasing kahulugan is,
Opposite.
no, it's not opposite. Kasing kahulugan. It's the synonyms.
Of il.
Okay.
Tumagil.
To,
Tumagil.
tumigil.
Tumigil.
Oh, very good. Okay. Huminto.
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 The other word is
Tumitil.
tumigil.
Tumigil.
Very good. Now, let's move to the third word. Isinilid.
Isililid.
Isinilid in English is
Ilalid.
put inside.
Like this. Put
Imagine this
inside. This
baby
key.
elephant or that one. Let's talk about this one. I put this one inside my pocket. Put inside my pocket. That means isinilid. Okay? Say it. Isinilid.
Isililid.
Sa bulsa.
Sa bulsa.
Put inside the pocket.
Put it
Isinilid.
sa pocket. Isililid.
In other word is
Ililagi.
gay. Not gay.
Ililagi.
Inilagay.
Ilalagay.
Okay, very good. Say it.
Inilagay.
Inilagay. That means isinilid. Isinilid. Inilagay. Okay, isinilid.
Isililid.
Inilagay.
Ilalagay.
Okay.
Okay.
Sumapit.
Sumapit.
Our fourth word is sumapit.
Our first word is sumapit.
That means arrived. Arrived. Okay.
Our
My
mom
mom arrived at the hospital.
My mom arrived at home.
At the hospital.
At home.
Okay. My mom arrived home. My mom arrived home. Sumapit.
Sumapit.
Si mami.
Si Bobby.
Sa bahay.
Sa bahay.
Okay. Sumapit.
Sumapit.
In other word is
Du. Mating.
dumating. Si mami.
Dumating.
Si mami sa bahay. That means mommy arrived home. Arrived.
Arrived.
Yeah, that's dumating. Sumapit.
Should.
Okay, dumating.
Dumating.
Su.
Su.
Ma.
Bapit.
Sumapit. Dumating.
Dumating. Sulapit.
Okay. Our last word, the fifth word.
Yay!
Na.
Na. Ona. Napuna.
Napuna. That means noticed.
Napuna.
Napuna ko. I noticed that you're not eating. Oh, listen to that. I noticed that you're not eating. Okay? Napuna ko na hindi ka kumakain. Okay? In other word, what is the other word for napuna? Okay, take a bite first. That's too small. Napuna means na na napanisin. No, napansin. Say napansin. Okay, napuna. Napansin. Napuna. Grupo. What's grupo?
Pangkat.
Huminto. Tumigil. Yes, tumigil. Isinilid. Inilagay. Okay. Sumapit. Dumating. Very good. Napuna. Na. Napansin. It's not napanising. Okay, very good. You understand now?
Yay!
The synonyms, kasing kahulugan. That means they have the same meaning. Okay? Now, let's move on to the kasalungat. Okay? Our first word for the kasalungat, para sa kasalungat is malaki. Malaking. Big bottle. Malaking bote. Okay? Maliit. Okay, say it. Malaki. Malaki. Oh, very good. Okay, malaki, maliit. Our second word is mataba. That's mataba. Look. Mataba. That's fat. Payat. Thin. Okay. Mataba, payat. Mataba. Oh, say it. Payat. Payat. Oh, yes, payat. Mataba, payat. Okay. Let's move on to the third word. Gusto. It means something you want or something you like. I like.
I want a fan.
Okay. I want. You like a fan. Okay. What is the opposite of that? What is the kasalungat? Ano ang kasalungat ng I want? I don't like the fan. Ayaw. Gusto. Gusto ko ng pamaypay. That means I want a fan. Say it. I want a fan.
I want a fan.
Okay. Gusto ko ng pamaypay. Say it. Gusto ko ng pamaypay.
Gusto mo ng
Pamaypay.
pamaypay.
Gusto ko ng pamaypay.
I don't want it.
Ayoko. Ayaw. Say ayaw.
Ayaw.
Gusto. Ayaw. Ayaw. Gusto. Okay, that's gusto. Say gusto. Gusto.
I don't want
Ayaw. Ayaw ko.
I don't want it.
Say ayaw ko.
Ayaw ko.
Very good. Ayaw. Gutom. Gutom means I'm hungry. Okay, eat something. That's gutom. You will eat when you're hungry, okay? Gutom. Busog. That means I'm full. Full. You don't like to eat anymore. Ayaw ko na kumain. Say it. Gutom.
Gutom.
Busog.
Busog.
Very good. One more time. Gutom.
Gutom.
Busog.
Busog.
Okay. Now let's move on. Let's continue. Gutom.
Gutom.
I'm hungry. Busog. I'm full. Say it. Gutom. Busog. Gutom. You will eat when you're gutom. Yeah, you eat it. Gutom. Busog.
Gutom. Busog.
Okay, our last word. Madali. Say it. Madali.
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 That means hard. What is the opposite word of hard?
Easy.
Easy. Hard in Tagalog is mahirap. Say mahirap.
This is so easy.
Yeah, this is so hard. Mahirap. Say madali. Okay. Say madali.
Madali.
Mahirap.
Mahirap.
Okay. Madali.
Madali.
Mahirap.
Mahirap.
Okay. Malaki.
Malaki. Maliit. Malaki.
Okay.
Maliit.
Okay, let's move on to the second word. Mataba.
Mataba.
Mataba. This one. Mataba.
Mataba. Maliit.
Payat. Okay.
Payat.
Okay, say it. Show it. Which one? Mataba?
Mataba. Payat.
Okay. Gusto?
Uwa.
You have to accept it first. I like it. Gusto?
Gusto.
Ayaw.
Ayan.
Okay. Okay, gutom?
Gusto.
Gutom.
Gusto.
Oh, eat something when you're gutom. Go, eat something when you're gutom. Go, try.
Gusto. Gusto. Gusto.
Take a bite. Gutom? Busog.
Busog.
Okay, swallow that. Grind and swallow.
Busog.
Busog. Madali?
Madali. Mahirap.
Okay, so that's it for today. You have learned already some of the Tagalog words. That is kasing kahulugan and kasalungat. Okay.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned with me Filipino. Thank you for watching. Salamat po. Please subscribe and like. Ring the bell. Ding, ding.
And then
Bye.